Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Excel versus Power BI dashboards. We'll explore their core functionalities and help you decide which tool best suits your data analysis and reporting requirements. Understanding their differences is key to optimizing your workflow. We'll cover ease of use, data capacity, and sharing capabilities to give you a clear picture. Excel is a fantastic tool for many, especially when you need quick, flexible data manipulation. Its widespread use means most people are already comfortable with its interface, making it ideal for smaller projects or personal use. You can easily perform calculations, create simple charts, and share files without much setup. It's perfect for those who prefer a hands-on approach with their data. Power BI truly shines with larger, more complex data environments. It's built for enterprise-level reporting, offering powerful data modeling and interactive dashboards that can transform raw data into actionable insights. Its ability to connect to diverse data sources and provide real-time updates makes it invaluable for dynamic business intelligence. Collaboration and sharing are also highly streamlined. The best tool depends on your specific needs. For individual projects, smaller datasets, or quick calculations, Excel remains a powerful and accessible choice. However, if you're dealing with vast amounts of data, require sophisticated interactive dashboards, or need robust sharing and collaboration features across an organization, Power BI is the superior option. Remember to check the description for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.